Yo, what's going on, guys? Hey, how you guys doing, man? On this Friday, I mean, I've been sick last couple of days, man. Have been throat been messed up and just been terrible. And I've been super busy and it's been kind of hard. Today I ran out of hours. I came to my, I did two stops today, two loads today. I mean, it came out to about $2,000, and I had like 14 minutes left on my drive time. I barely made it. Uh, when I got here, there was another Landstar driver here, and he took the last empty. Which I was, I kind of needed an empty. He said he had to go somewhere else to do a pickup, whatever. But whatever, not even sweating it. But my purpose of even saying that is because this guy here wanted to check Dayton, Ohio, and he wanted to check Flatbed. And one thing about doing flatbed is that there's not a lot of Landstar drivers out here. And when it comes to booking a load, I mean, a lot of times the load's going to be available. You know what I'm saying? And you ain't really got to worry about nobody else because you guys know, this is all competition out here, man. They ain't no friends out here. These guys will cut your neck off for anything. So, at least where flatbed basically you like your own little world. They because there's not a lot of them guys out there, so they ain't got to really worry about stuff getting declined or I'm talking about not decline, canceled, the lows getting canceled and stuff like that. And so I mean that's probably one of the good things about flatbed, and you getting 74% of the load, and that's actually pretty good. That's way more than dry van. Now those guys gotta bust the butt a little bit, tarping and strapping and stuff like that, but they can make some money. Now that's all that's there around Dayton, Ohio, and that's all they got there. So let's go back out. And let's see. Now you see his flatbed. It was only 9 things. So let's check dry van because dry van be busy around there. Damn. Step van. Wait. Damn. What I'm doing, man? I'm a little off, man. I was a little sick. I've been working all day, so haven't slept yet. So let's see. Dry van. Well, let's see some better lows than this. Oh, $10,000. That was pretty good, but let's see what we got. Let's put 250. All right. 250. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. There's a couple lows here. DUV. That's the agent we deal with. One of the recruiters. That's the recruiting department. And let's scroll down and see what we got. Not that bad. Got some good stuff here and there. Remember, you always gotta look at dates and stuff like that. Today's 16, right? So this is all stuff pick up Friday and deliver Monday. Now, you guys remember on Fridays, man, by Thursday or Wednesday, have your Monday load already booked. If you're booking a load for, man, these rates are pretty good here. Ohio to Barrington, New Jersey. For $2,000, $1,900, that's actually pretty good. Let me take a screenshot of this. I got a couple guys on the Loadboard and want to show them or whatever, but that's not that bad. Newport News, okay. Got some alright lows here and there. But yeah, man, hopefully they got the trade war discussion going on in September. Hopefully they make some kind of agreement. I mean, I believe that's the reason this is the low board is the way it is, because of that. So hopefully something happens good out of it, and these rates go higher, man, because right now guys are dying out here. You know what I'm saying? They ain't really making that money like they was before. You still got money to eat. You know what I'm saying? But you trying to make this into a lifestyle, you trying to have toys and stuff like that, and go to vacation and have money for that. If the Loadboard is looking trash, you really can't do that. You gotta stay out here and keep grinding. I mean, I've been working hard. I've been trying to get all this money I can now because you don't know when it could get real bad. You know what I'm saying? Next search was Geneva, Ohio. So let's see what we got. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad loads. Yeah, these are pretty good. Ohio to New York, 448 miles. That's not that bad. 19 to the 20. Wow, that's pretty good. I like that. These loads don't look that bad. Oh, look, Phoenixville, PA. That's also, wow. Damn, these loads, man, these races looks like they got up a little bit. Wow. These are the kind of numbers we was looking at last year coming from Ohio over here. 1,800, 2,000, 2,200. Man, Akron, Ohio to Phoenixville, PA. Wow, $1,700. Sorry, man, I'm taking screenshots, so send it to a buddy of mine. Damn. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I was only going to do a couple of searches today, man, because I've been a little bit messed up, but I got one more. Give me a second. I got one more. Let me see. Los Angeles, driving. Driving. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Damn. Look. I mean, I don't know, man. What do you guys think? I mean, you think this is a bad load? Pickup. Oh, this is team loads. That's why it's paying like that. Damn. Pretty good. Not too bad for teams. I don't know. These races don't look that bad. And there was a lot of lows on here on Friday. I'm going to tell you, I ain't show you guys, but on Monday, there was like 28,000 lows on the board. It's Friday, and there's 34,000 lows. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let me see what else we got here. I do almost. Oh, look, it went up. It's going up. Like, that's crazy. And it usually be down like by this time on Friday. So that's good, man. You gotta think positive. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got. Let's see the big money stuff. I just like to look at this just to look at it. You know what I'm saying? These are oversized equipment, of course. But damn, man, I wish I know how to do that kind of stuff. Man, look at that. I would like to know how much money they spend on permits, fuel, etc. But just imagine, man, they do one of these loads, they could take off a couple of days. Wow, man. Wow, that's crazy. That's some good stuff here. Man, they got a lot of. I tell you what, they got a lot of heavy stuff like this, but I don't hardly see a lot of guys like this running oversized over here at Landstar. I seen one guy, he had like 8 axles and stuff, but that was it. That was like one time in Jersey. But hey, listen, man, this is it, man. I'm done. I gotta lay back and watch some shows here and there. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Give it a like. There's somebody putting me a thumbs down. I don't know who it is. I always get this one thumbs down. I'm gonna catch his ass one time. But listen, enjoy your weekend. Any questions, email me, and I'll get at you, man. So I try to do something Monday and Tuesday, see what's up, man, how I'm feeling. And you guys be safe. Thank you, man. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.